So at Echelon Management, we're all about looking at the companies we work with holistically. And so our team works in three key areas: strategy, culture, and innovation. And there's growth levers all around a company that usually those that are working in the company don't see as readily because of just the lack of objectivity you have. And what we do is we interview the people inside the company, leadership, as well as customers. And it's usually, especially with the customers, that we get excellent insights about the growth potentials, not just within the company, but within the customer relationships. And so with strategy, we begin with your vision. I mean, what is the potential? If you were to look 3 years out, if all the stars were to align and growth were to be as optimistic as you could imagine, what does that look like? And then working backwards from that vision of growth, organizationally and sometimes even with individuals, then you can identify both constraints and growth levers that are usually where a systemic approach to laying those out and dealing with them through innovation and creativity is how you get to accelerate growth. There's untapped opportunities all around, especially with customers. Most companies have enough untapped business just within their existing customer base to double and to have tremendous uptick in profitability. Also, with the structure of the organization, there's usually islands of profit amongst a sea of red ink. And so just by looking at the best customers and the worst customers, the top producers, worst producers, best products and worst products, we can usually quickly, we call it market segmentation, product segmentation, customer segmentation. It becomes immediately apparent when you look at things through the lens of profitability exactly what you need to do. So through things like this and the 7 essential areas of objectives that we help flesh out if they're not all clearly identified, it's quite easy to identify strategy levers, innovation levers, and cultural levers. The last point, one of the reasons we called our company Echelon Management starting back in 1990 is because usually getting the leadership team into a formation has a lot to do with the effectiveness throughout the entire company. So if we can get that group of leadership to agree on objectives and their role clarity, just those two things alone usually helps to greatly accelerate growth. And so those are some of the things we do at Echelon Management to help accelerate the growth of your company.